How to add video on Wix website. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can quickly add in a video to your Wix website. Firstly, open up wix.com, and then after that simply choose the website that you guys want to add a video to. So I'm going to choose this particular website. After that, it's going to take me over to the dashboard of this particular website. So now from over here, I want you guys to click on the top right where it says edit site. After that, go to the edit site option, and then now you guys are going to be able to see your website, and you will be able to edit your website as well. So let's just give it a few moments. And now from over here, you guys can just simply click on the left side where it says add, and then after that simply look for video over here. If you guys don't see video, simply click on gallery, and of course you guys can add in videos manually as well. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna click on video and music because I have that option, and I'm sure you guys must have that option as well. After that, simply choose the type of video that you guys want to add. If you want to add audio, video, you guys can add both of these things. So I'm going to click on single video player, and then after that, as soon as I do that, now I'm going to click on this particular option. Now I have the Wix video option with me, and now to add a video, I can just simply click on change video. I can choose a video from YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch as well, and I can even upload a video myself too. And this is how you guys can add videos to your Wix website. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.